Hi everyone, welcome to Kairos Moments. My name is Belle. For this episode, let's talk about love does no wrong to a neighbor. Therefore, love is the fulfilling of the law. Romans chapter 13 verse 10. So it means that love doesn't harm others dahil walang totoong nagmamahal na nananapak ng kapwa, nanlalamang, nanlalait, nagnanakaw o nananakit ng kapwa. Dahil ang totoong nagmamahal ay nagiging pagpapala sa iba, nagkakaroon ng malasakit at higit sa lahat, he or she will not take advantage of the weakness of other people or pangit na sitwasyon ng ibang tao. Now, here is my testimony for God's glory for this episode. Naranasan nyo na po ba na you are not, kumbaga, hindi naman ikaw ang direct person na affected, but because nagkakaroon ka ng pagmamahal sa kapwa, nagkakaroon ka ng malasakit, and you will not like to see people na take advantage o na agrabyado. At hindi mo kayang masikmura minsan na may makita ka ng mga injustice everywhere. O kaya naman gusto mo nagkakaroon ka talaga ng bukal sa puso mo na tumulong sa ibang tao, lalo na pag ang ibang tao ay walang alam sa isang bagay. Now, I just remember isang araw po, and I praise God for this. I just don't know why sometimes I don't know kung sino po makaka-relate dito. Naranasan nyo na po ba or na-feel nyo na po ba that you are not the person who is really involved to that situation, na kung tutusin, that's not your problem yan ng iba, but because you want, you know something, and you know na may pwede kang maitulong in a very simple way, and you want to encourage people, and at least ma-guide mo man lang, hindi man financial, pero ayaw mo yung may taong nakikita mo na may capacity ka naman in a very simple way na tumulong because meron kang malasakit sa puso mo. So, andun yung parang tutulong na lang ako kahit sa maliit lang na bagay. So, I just remember po, now, years ago, may hospital po, pumunta kami ng tatay namin sa isang provincial hospital because nagpa-check up siya, and during the time, capable naman ako na magbayad for the x-ray as well as for the for the laboratory doon sa provincial hospital. But I just remember because medyo, kumbaga, may konting knowledge ka about the process sa isang public hospital. So I just asked doon sa nurse na sabi ko, if ever na may ibang patients na magpapa-x-ray, since this is a public hospital and may other na mga laboratories, possible ba, lalong-lalo na yung walang-wala, na mag-avail ng free na ganito na mga check-up as well as yung sa x-ray? Sabi sa akin ng nurse, yes, possible naman. So, I just remember, ang sabi ko po doon, now, because I was so curious, what are the requirements? Pwede ko naman po yun bayaran, but I was really curious. And sabi sa akin, okay, ito yung requirements, pero sabi ko po, doon sa nurse, I think maganda that people should know about this, lalong-lalo na yung sa mga walang-wala. And is it possible na yung mga walang-wala, lalong-lalo na yung magpapaguide, ay mai-guide ng tama so that they can avail this free check-up, free laboratories dito sa hospital, and at least mai-guide sila ng tama. And not only that, may mga iba pa po na pagkakataon na it's like na pwede naman mai-guide yung kapwa natin in a very simple way. Because, di ba mahirap po na ang kapwa natin ay babalik-balik sa hospital, or ikaw na may alam sa maliit na bagay, if you have the capacity to guide, if you have the capacity to help, kahit man lang sa pag-guide, you will guide that person. And dumating din po sa time ng aking buhay that I see people, even na parang nadi-discourage. So if you have that fire in your heart, you will, and love sa puso natin, you will not like to see other people na down na nga, mas lalo pang ida-down. So I love encouraging people. I love to see people na mas lalo sila na-inspire, mas lalo sila na motivate, mas lalo sila na-encourage. Because nagkakaroon tayo ng pagmamahal sa puso natin. At ang totoong nagmamahal, these people will not like to see others na sobrang nadadown. Pag nakita nila ang ibang tao, they will always extend their hand para tumulong or kahit man lang mang-encourage. So you see, in a very simple way, if we have that capacity, even sa pag-guide, even sa pag-inform sa tao, in whatever ways, kung talagang nagmamahal tayo, let us help others, let us be a blessing, because love is the fulfilling of the law. And the laws are summed up into two: love God and love others. Ang totoong nagmamahal, laging nagmamalasakit sa kapwa. At hindi niya hahayaan na masaktan ang kapwa niya. Hindi niya hahayaan na siya ang maging dahilan para ma-discourage ang kapwa niya. At hindi niya hahayaan na siya ang maging dahilan para masaktan ang kapwa niya. So you see, let us always encourage one another, at ang totoong nagmamahal ay nagbibigay at talagang nagmamalasakit. So thank you and God bless.